guys, I'm Brenda. Welcome back to Bella's channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bella. If you're new, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are most welcome, darling. Today I have a guest here with me. I have my twin sister, my twinnie. For those of you who know, she's Brenda. I'm Bella. But those who know me will say she's not your twin. Those who don't know me, well, I'll leave it for you guys to judge.
Yeah.
What you guys
We
think?
look alike though.
Do we look alike?
No.
Some people will be like, oh, your twin sister look like you, and some will be like, oh, she's not your twin. Well, you know, it's YouTube, social media, and all that stuff. So we're going to be doing the 5 minutes makeup challenge today. I'm actually scared. I'm freaked out. She always shout at me that I take forever to do my makeup.
Yeah,
so.
she uses 3 hours to do her makeup.
I don't use 3 hours to do my makeup.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, she does.
Well, so you're going to be doing the 5 minute makeup challenge. So what's your phone? Open your phone. I need to travel to get this way. I am back. So we've got everything ready in front of us. Everything is set, so we're just going to set the time now for 5 minutes, and yeah. You ready?
Yes, I'm so ready.
There we go. So I'm starting the time now. Start. Oh my god. I'm gonna start, mommy. Foundation first. That's not fair. 5 minutes. And your foundation is not on properly.
Well, it doesn't matter.
It does. It does. Look at you, I feel like you're almost done. She's even baking. This is not fair, guys.
Few minutes to go.
You know, sometimes 5 minutes always seems like a very long time. It's like, oh, what's going on here? Why are my faces still looking under my eyebrows? actually highlighting your face, sister. Three, 2 seconds. Guys, the time is up.
What do you think, guys?
Oh, you've actually got lipstick.
Yes, I've got everything on.
You've got lipstick on.
Right, so
Your brows.
well, it's not that bad.
Your brows.
I mean,
Look at
like,
your
I
brows.
could do a makeup like this to take to school.
Stop bouncing, you. Look at your brows.
Let me see. Right, so
Guys, I want my brows done. At least my brows are better than hers.
yes, but I've got my contour.
I want mine as well. If you can see, she's got lipstick. She's
Yeah,
got.
and you haven't.
I haven't.
And I've got highlighter.
I have a bit on.
I can't see any. So yeah, it's up to you guys. What do you think? Had
But I
better
actually
makeup?
won. Guys, okay, look at my makeup on the 5 minute. Yeah, can you take this out? Can you take hers out on the 5 minute? I can take hers out, but not with those brows.
Yeah, I know, but you can always, you know, like touch the brows and stuff when you're going out. But still, you can take a face like this out. You can take it to school. You can take it to the mall. You can take it to, well, not club.
Mine just looks so plain. I don't have anything. No lipstick. Nothing.
Yeah. So guys, it's up to you. Tell us who you don't want the competition.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let us know who won. Like, look at what Brenda said. I actually think, well, that it's up to you guys. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye. Stop.